Good morning. This is Ann from Rick's Auto Service. Remember I showed you how to jump a car with a battery pack? Well, if you don't have that, good jumper cables are the next best thing. Remember to do positive first, which is red for power, plus is for power. Put the red on, and then the black. This is the dead battery, this is the live battery. The car is usually running. Again, red is power, plus red on red. Once I get it there we go. And black on, whoops. And black on black. You start this car, and then you start the dead car, and the battery works. That's Ann at Rick's Auto Service in Mishawaka, Indiana.